61.
All right, so for 62, it's very similar, except cosine is positive, and then they want us to find cosecant. So let's unpack that a little bit. So again, if we want to talk about the xy plane, we're going to think again about a standard circle. Again, well, that's not quite center, but you guys get the gist of it. Again, we have a radius, and then we have the point x comma y. So tangent of theta is equal to y over x. Cosine of theta is equal to x over r. Now cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So sine of theta is y over r, which would mean that cosecant of theta would be r over y. Well, it says that cosine has to be positive, and cosine is x over r, so we're looking where x is positive. Well, x is positive in quadrants 1 and 4. Okay, so we have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. But tangent is negative. So every function is positive in quadrant 1. Tangent is positive in quadrant 1, but tangent is negative in quadrant 4. So it has to be in quadrant 4 because tangent is negative. Okay? So that means that I have a triangle like this. Now, my triangle, and I'll draw it this way. I'm going to draw it upside down, which will throw you guys off. What we're really saying is that tangent of theta is equal to 1 over root 3, right? Because that's the same as root 3 over 3 if we rationalize the denominator. And one of them's positive and one of them's negative. The negative in this case would be the y, and the x is positive in this case. What's my radius, though? 2. So this is, again, a 30-degree angle. Theta is 30 degrees. It's actually negative 30 when you think about it. Where this is my y value, this is my radius on the unit circle, and this is the x value. So I've just taken this little triangle here and kind of drawn it bigger over here. So then cosecant of theta is equal to r, which is 2, over y, which is negative 1, which is just negative 2. Let's see if that's one of our options.
That's a C?
That's C. Does that make sense? Any questions on that? Did you see what I did there?
Wait, sorry, but this. Oh, never mind. I see.
Okay.